Wow, guys, check this out. I know on camera you can't see how beautiful this really is, but in person this is amazing. Welcome guys, welcome back to another product review. Today we are reviewing the Magic Color Lamp. So you can control it with an app. It's also voice controlled, remote controlled, and it has magic color. Works on 2.4G Wi-Fi and BLE for Bluetooth. Works with Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant. So let's get unboxing and show you guys what it looks like, and let's set it up. So right away we bring the camera down here so you guys can see everything. So here is the remote. Very nice remote. Very colorful. You get a manual. Looks like you got double-sided tape, screwdriver, and looks like all the tools needed. You also get a controller here for Wi-Fi mode, color mode, Bluetooth, power on. So that's nice. Let's go ahead and pull this out. So that is one leg. So it looks like you got your RGB towers right here. So we're just gonna lay everything out right away. Looks like you have a second leg. And you have your main. All right, let's check out the user manual. So in the user manual, they provide you the way to download the app and the app name. So make sure you keep your manual and get the app name if you want to control it with your app. They also show you how it's set up, how you put the light on. So it says mounting base. All right, so looks like this one is going to be laid like this, and another one is going to be laid like this out on the side here. You have your bolt inside your bag that they provide. It looks like you're going to thread that right through into, let's see, that's going to go, all right, okay, yeah, I get it now. That's going to go in like this. All right, so that's in place. So you have different tubes here. So you want to know which one's going to be the top. So the one that has a black end, that's going to be the very top one. The one that has a base, that's going to be the bottom one. So then you know which one is going to go up. And you just slide them right in like this. Wow, guys, check this out. I know on camera you can't see how beautiful this really is, but in person this is amazing. Absolutely stunning. So if you go ahead and place it like in a corner, you can see it reflects off. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to set this up perfectly in our office. It's going to add to our full effect. Wow. In person, the color is much more beautiful. Like my camera, the cameras, you can't pick up the color, how nice it is. But in person, it is so much nicer. Absolutely stunning.